To set up Zelle to US Bank, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a US Bank account and a mobile device with internet access. Download the US Bank mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and log in to your US Bank account using your username and password. If you do not have a US Bank online account, create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, click on the menu icon and select Send Money with Zelle. If you have not already enrolled in Zelle, you will be prompted to do so. Read and agree to the terms of service, then select your US Bank account you want to use with Zelle. Verify your email address or mobile phone number to complete the enrollment process. To send money with Zelle, select Send Money with Zelle from the menu, then enter the recipient's email, address or mobile phone number. Enter the amount you want to send and select the US Bank account you want to use. Add a memo if desired, then review and confirm the transaction. To receive money with Zelle, the sender must have your email address or mobile phone number associated with your US Bank account. When someone sends you money with Zelle, you will receive a notification and the money will be deposited into your US Bank account. Best practices for using Zelle include only sending money to people you know and trust and never using Zelle for purchases from unknown sellers. Always verify the recipient's email address or mobile phone number before sending money. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use Zelle with your US Bank account.